I love to eat bole. I can eat it every day. And because it's Saturday, I have to prepare one. Have you been craving to have one and you don't know how to go about it? Let me guide you through the steps to prepare this delicious tasty treat. First, you have to start by washing the plantain and also peeling the back. After that, you have to slice it into 3 or 4 places. Then transfer into a bowl, mix with a little oil, chili, and salt. Then transfer into your air fryer, or you can transfer into an oven, or you can also roast as well. After that, 15 minutes later, my ball is ready. The next step is washing of the fish. I have to wash the fish thoroughly, remove every dirty thing inside, then season with salt and a little chili pepper. After that, I have to transfer everything into the air fryer. You can also roast or you can also use an oven to do your fish. I set it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, the fish is also ready. So yummy. Then the next step, I have to blend my onions, bell pepper, and pepper mix together. Then after that, I have to heat up my pan oil, then season, put onions. After that, I have to add my mixed bell pepper and onions. Add 1 cube of Maggi, then stir until it's ready. As you can see, it's ready. Once your sauce is ready, ready to serve, you enjoy, you serve yourself and enjoy your meal. I enjoy this with a glass of cold orange juice. So yeah.